Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul from 123 Drone. This is just a very short video to talk about how I'm implementing AI into various aspects of my business, and there's three ideas that I wanted to just run through which may help you or your clients if you're looking to add AI into your workflow or your services. So the first one is construction time-lapse. I've been using AI to create aerial time-lapse videos for clients. Traditionally, I have also filmed aerial time-lapse by merging video which has been captured at site visits when we've revisited, whether it be monthly, bi-monthly or on a regular basis. That can work well, but with the AI programs now, such as Kling 2.5, being able to merge high quality aerial stills seamlessly, this can give your clients a better finish. And since we've been implementing this, all of our clients have decided that they prefer us to create the time lapse in that way. The next is property tours. Now, I am very fond of FPV tours, whether it's for residential or commercial property, but sometimes it's just not possible to fly an FPV tour. So that could be, for example, where you've got a property that is too small, or you've got a property there where there's rooms that are cluttered and you need to declutter the rooms. It's easier to do that with still images in post and then create the tour afterwards. And using AI, what it also enables you to do is to potentially capture angles that you couldn't capture with a drone, and also it gives you the option of creating some really nice day to night shots as well. The third is planning visuals or pre-planning visuals. So we get asked on a regular basis by the architects or clients, developers, to capture aerial footage or still images to help them with their planning applications. So more recently, we've also been using AI in that workflow, where we've captured some aerial footage and then we've created concept visuals from the plans that the architect's given us, again using AI, and then we've overlaid that or merged it in with the aerial footage that we've taken, and then the clients can use this at their site meetings, whether it's with the architects or with the planning consultants, and also in some cases they've actually been able to submit the video or stills of the video in with their planning applications as well. So if you work in construction or real estate and you run a drone business, hopefully you'll find these ideas useful. There may be things that you can offer to your existing clients or potentially help you to go out and get new clients. I will be creating tutorials on all three of these. In fact, I've already created a tutorial on the construction time-lapse using aerial stills and ground stills. I'll put a link to that in the description below. So please be sure to like and subscribe, and you'll get the opportunity to then see the tutorials as I post them. Thanks for watching.